In this tutorial series, I'm going to teach you step by step the concepts needed to build your own custom dynamic email newsletter using Webflow CMS, Xano, and Loops. And I'm going to introduce you to a language that's very similar to HTML, MJML, that makes this all possible. Curious? And let's get started. So before we jump into the how, let's just take kind of a quick overview of what we're building. So this is our dynamic newsletters template, and it is being built from this CMS collection here, which pulls in reference fields and multi-reference fields. So it's actually quite a complex newsletter that we're building, but because we've got access to our Webflow CMS, we can put this together quite easily in an HTML version. And if you know Webflow, you know that you can build pretty much whatever custom kind of look you want and feel for everything. So our example is pretty simple and straightforward, but you can go as crazy as you want with it as far as your HTML. And even within certain limitations, you can build out a custom version as well. So what we'll be doing is we're going to be creating first a email template using MJML. And then we're going to take that template and we're going to compile all of the different pieces in Xano. So we're taking the pieces of our template, we're going to break it into chunks, and we're going to replace all of the dynamic data and then spit it back out in Xano with the images and our index MJML file right here so we can download it from this function itself. And then the last step is we're going to go into Loops and we're going to just basically upload our zip file so that we can send it off to our newsletter list.